Welcome back to the Survival Gardener Minute. I'm David the Good. Today's question I am taking from Scott Head, who writes, I am clearing a spot on the south side of my house, brick wall, lots of sun, canna lilies and sunflowers have grown there and thrived. I think I can push the zone there from 9A to maybe 10A. What food staple crop would you grow there? Soil is only 6 inches deep, but super nutritious, chopped and dropped for years until it meets clay, heavy roots, and then random building stone debris. Thanks, David. So if you have the capability of growing something tropical, in a regular situation, I would say, man, put some tropical fruit in there of some sort. Put some guavas in there, put some Suriname cherries in there, put a Barbados cherry maybe. You could even push that in there. Or a star fruit. I knew somebody growing a star fruit in zone 9 with protection. But in a survival situation, I would say plant true yams. And I know the soil is only 6 inches deep, so what I would do is hack some mounds, raise them up so you've got about 12 to 16 inches of soil in hills that are maybe 3 foot on center, and then plant true yams. And for those of you who are wondering where you can get true yams, try the ethnic food markets, try Publix. It's often sold as Name yam, N-A-M-E, and you can take those, chop them into pieces, dust them with little ashes to keep the fungi out, or not if you don't have any ashes, and let them dry for a day or two, and take those pieces about that big, about the size of half of a potato to a potato size each, and stick them in the ground, and they will pop up right around this time of year, and they will produce for you by November, December. So if I had zone 10, survival crop number 1 would be true yams, probably in that smallest space. If I had more space, I would grow cassava. Thanks for watching. Check me out on the web at thesurvivalgardener.com. Be sure to stay subscribed and liked and all that stuff so I can keep doing these things and seeing you guys regularly. So drop your questions, and I'm going to try and do one of these every single day. Catch you later.